So now we are creating container using our own image. Okay. So we are creating our image docker run hyphen 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 name core 8 uh, sorry, so our application name is docker tutorial. So I'm providing the name. You can provide any name. I'm providing docker tutorial. Okay. So I'm also running the background hyphen d and hyphen port suppose 8085 and integrate with 80 port, because in machine inside the container only two port is open, 80 and 443. I am adding 80 port in the host machine 8085 port. Okay. So and also provide the network similar ASP.NET microservice this network, and and need to provide some environment variable. Okay. So why environment variable is needed? Because in our application, if you open the application solution explorer app setting, we need to provide connection string application db and uh, my redis connection. Okay. So first of all I am copying two line for writing this container, paste this. Okay. So we know environment variable providing hyphen ae second double quotation, and first I am providing this full name, copy this and paste this, and also need another environment variable for I am adding backslash and hyphen e another so it's the so the naming is control z for some understanding hyphen e. First of all need to provide the environment variable name. Environment variable name is connection string double underscore because it's a object, then application db. Okay. So then equal to click the equal sign and input the value. So the value is okay. So and slash, and also need another environment variable double quotation, again the connection string and the my redis connection. Okay. So two environment variable is provided, and now need the name. This scenario our server name is our first of all is SQL server. Here their name is MySQL server 123. Okay, so I provided server is MySQL server 123, and Redis connection is localhost 6379. Instead of providing the localhost, I am adding my Redis. So my Redis is, what is my name? My Redis. Okay. So I copy this, and instead of localhost, I am providing my Redis. So it's open in the background, and I think everything is perfect. It's open in the background. I also provide the network, also provide the port. I copy this and again open the PowerShell, git bash, and git bash I provide in paste, click enter. Sorry, the last line not need this tag. I again copy this Before running anything, I'm clearing the skin and paste this, enter. Docker run. Oh, sorry. And final, we need to provide the image name. So what is our image name? Our image name is fast.net core image. I copy this and again backslash and paste this. So I think it's now in perfect. Git bash, clear everything, paste it, click enter. You see our container is created. If I clear everything and write docker ps, you see our image docker tutorial also open in the port 8085. Okay, so now I am opening the browser, localhost 8085, and at the swagger something issue is happened. So our when I click the ps, you see some issue arise and that the reason our container is stopped. If I click docker hyphen a, you see our existed in 139 about a minute ago. So we need to investigate docker logs. I need to investigate where the issue. uh, Login failed for user SA. It's showing it the connectivity some issue in the database. For that reason, uh, the SQL Server connection is not working there. You can investigate log from there. Now I open the notepad and need to investigate where the issue. My SQL Server 123. Trusted connection. If I write true, so then again I create the image docker rm it's what is the name I provided, docker tutorial. I remove the image and now again paste this. Now docker logs, docker tutorial, copy and paste again. Docker yes, here, here, docker ps. You see again our uh, image is stopped. Docker logs, docker tutorial. Sorry, the spelling mistake. Cannot share docker tutorial. What's the problem? Docker logs. Investigate. I think I found the issue. That is, uh, first of all, I need to open the management studio, skill server management studio. Connect which port the application is running. If I open application 1499. Okay, so 1499 and password dot dot. Oh yeah, the issue is here password is RCS123 dollar dot dot, here password is SA123. That's the issue. Okay, so I rename the password, and again in the git bash docker ps hyphen a docker ps hyphen a, and you see our this image is not running. So now I copy it again and change the password, and trusted connection must be false. So I open this and paste, enter. Now click the docker ps. You see 3 container is running in our 8085 port. Okay. So now I click localhost 8085 localhost 8085. Click the Swagger. No any connection. Application is open, and click the HTTP. If I can investigate Docker PS, this is opening smoothly, but why 8085 80 port? Suppose I think if I click the Microsoft Edge and localhost 80885 slash swagger, if I investigate again Docker logs, Microsoft entry database command info, I think everything is running smoothly. 80. So why this not coming? Swagger connections are secured. Okay, I'm not want a secure connection. 3 Swagger. Everything is working fine, but I think in our application some issue for HTTP connection. I check program file. I remove the HTTP connection information also. So why the application is not running? Uh, and you see, if I go to the database, Docker DB also created, but the home page is not showing properly. I'll host again, clear Docker PS. Why the issue? 8085. Okay, I again remove this docker rm-f, copy, paste, also open 443 port also, control D 8086, write this 443. Now open this, paste docker ps, button is running 8086. If I check now 8086, I copy this and paste this. If I click HTTPS, I don't know why the issue. 8085, the port is open, application is running, but I don't know. Okay, so one thing I can do, if I click the postman, I don't know why Swagger is not showing up. Okay, need to investigate. Next video, I think I found some issue. Next video, I solve this. Okay.